pinwheel petal. Start with a 10 by 10 inch square of mesh, curl up, diamond shape, top corner to the bottom corner, make into a triangle, take right corner top edge, bring it down the center while lining up the bottom edge of the corner here, like that. Take this whole petal, flip it over, and you're going to take this corner and bring it straight down the middle, lining up the edge here. Swing it to the left, pinch about 2 inches up the tail, and wrap a rubber band around the pinch. This is the pinwheel petal, and it is the same on both sides. Trim the excess. This is the pinwheel petal, and it's the same on both sides.